another rockin' review, guys. Practitioner, and today we are reviewing Living Legends Beard Co. Ethnic Beard Oil. So I received this from the company as a review, and I tried it out for a week and a half, and I have some thoughts about it. So first we'll get to cost. You can buy this beauty for $13.99 on their website, and you can also buy this and a balm for $22. Really awesome deal. It's like just totally, I think that's a great price. So I tried this for a week, and I will say this: it was a lighter beard oil. It did feel good in my beard. It was just a lighter feel. I felt like there is always an opportunity for light oils. I usually prefer a lot thicker oils, medium to thick, but this one was super nice and light, and I felt like it did the job. The scent was a little light, almost like a vanilla sandalwood. I think it had a little bit of cinnamon in it. When I take a look at it, I couldn't figure it out. But that's what I got, kind of a plain scent, and it kind of faded away. If you're looking for something that's really light, light oil and also light scent, this is perfect. You know, I can definitely enjoy and get down on that. I absolutely love sometimes just not having a scent in your beard. That's especially ones that are overpowering for a full day. So this one's super light.
Hello everybody, I am here for the scent. It is a lighter scent. It smells very good. Very, very good indeed. And it is the beard oil. And I open it, and then I smell more. Then I pour it in my hand, like this. Then I put it back in the bottle. Then I rub it in my hand, and then I smell it. It smells very good. It smells very lighter in the hand. Like it smells a little bit lighter, but still very good. And then I shall read directions after I close this properly. There we go. The ingredients actually: prunus, amagadis, dulcis, oh no, periphianum, luquiodum, oh no, Navalida, and just I can't say that one. Junipers Virginia, Borderois Sabrinum, oh no, Park Healthiest, Honest, Rosemaris, Officinals, Lemon, Hexol, Cinnamon, Dronol, Argina spinosa.
So final thoughts. If you are looking for something that is a little bit lighter in your beard and has a little bit of lighter scent, you have come to the right place. This is that kind of oil. I personally like thicker oils, but this is really good for those days when you just need something light. So definitely check them out, and you will, I think, enjoy if you're looking for that kind of thing. Have a good day.